Hi friends, in this healing vlog, I'm going to make the best quiche. You'll see why. Baking is one of my therapy and my meditation. When I'm baking, it's like I'm playing in my playground, like a child. Mixing ingredients, licking it, decorating it, and eating it. It's truly a form of playfulness for me. This whole week has been very challenging. I'm swimming in the ocean of anxiety, fear, and anger. I don't know why exactly, but it is happening and it is real. I feel angry with myself. All of that feeling showing up in my body as a skin flare-up, headache, and back pain that make me cannot walk for a moment. It is so easy to be stuck up in the tornado of negativity. I've been there for a week, feeling depleted and victimized myself. I feel it all, the pain in my body, the anxiety in my mind, and all around it makes me paralyzed for a while. Feeling like there is no end of the suffering. And then I realized that all of it was just my ego. The ego does not want to die and disappear. It wants to stay alive. So, it will always try to find a way to make itself seen and roar. It does not mean that it is bad. The ego is just unconscious. It is just doing its job. I know it is extremely hard when we are in the middle of it. We are not aware because we think we are all that the ego said. Hang on there, my friends, especially in this particular unique time of the world. It is so easy to be carried away by unconsciousness. I feel alienated. Have you ever felt like this? It is a strange feeling. It's like you're going somewhere but never reach the destination. The more you try, the more alienated you feel. None of this experience is bad. It is just is. A form of energy wants to express itself through you. So, how do we cope with this feeling? Only two words: allowing and surrendering. Hell yeah, you can swear if you want. Feel it with all of your being and say it out loud. Claim it and accept it wholeheartedly. Express it, feel it in your body, move your body, dance it, or shake it off like Taylor Swift said. If you're just laying in bed or sitting feeling like crap, it will get worse. I used to do that a lot. You have to move right away to regulate this huge energy. Swimming, shaking your body, running, walking, journaling, or talking to someone who has the ability to stay present. You do you. There's nothing right or wrong about this. Find which is the best way for you to be with these feelings. maybe write a letter to God, express everything you feel, and ask for help. Usually, not long, you will have a hint of relief. I usually don't bake or cook when I feel like intense depression. The result will not be good, trust me. I want to be able to express myself without judgment because every experience is unique, very true, and valid. If you feel good, great. If you feel depressed, great, I'm listening. If you feel like a failure, great, tell me more. You see, there's nothing wrong with any of those feelings. You just have to find a way to deal with this. Sometimes, people or family doesn't really understand you. They just want to reply based on their perception of you. We don't really felt hurt and seen. Have you ever felt that way? On some point, we only can depend on ourselves, which is a very brave and beautiful act to do. I believe life is a reflection of us and our highest self, manifests externally in our work, love life, and family. If you ask me, what is the most important thing in this world? Family, health, or success? Or all of it? I would say none of that matters if I don't have a good relationship with my own self, especially honoring my dark side. The purpose of life is merging the dark and the light and welcome the true power that emerges from it, from the 0 point. And sometimes, even when you have reached to the point, you will always slip back to the dark side again. Well, there is one sentence that I like from The Power of Now by Eckhart Tolle. Life will always give you whatever experience is most helpful for the evolution of your consciousness. How do you know that this is the experience that you need? Well, because this is the experience you are having right now. I used to be angry with my life. Oh God, why me? Why is this happening to me? I'm feeling like a victim. Until I started this journey and unlearning everything, even though that thought sometimes creep in. And it's okay to feel not okay about this. Just like the Netflix Korean drama. It is a practice, like a muscle, you have to train it. Prioritize yourself. Learn about your unconscious program, aka your shadow or your darkness, little by little. Even though I felt depressed, somehow, on the background of my mind, there is a little joy that shines through me. I know that I'm going to be okay. I'm going to be able to get through this. And so are you. You are worthy, you are loved, and you are seen. Just because you are here in this earth, right here, right now. And oh, this quiche is so good. The pastry is flaky and crusty. This is the best quiche ever because it comes with wisdom. Thank you everyone for being here with me. Please subscribe if you are resonating with me. Thank you so much. Bye.